Hi there and welcome. In this video, we're continuing our 55 Plus neighborhood series with a closer look at Paseo, one of the gated age-qualified collections located in the villas at Tesoro Highlands in Valencia, California. Paseo consists of just under 70 homes, all built by Lennar and completed in early 2025. This video is presented by your local senior real estate specialist, Matt and Meray Gregory of the Gregory Real Estate Group. As we walk through Paseo, the neighborhood feels calm, peaceful, and fresh. The streets and sidewalks are new and well maintained, and the homes offer the curb appeal of traditional single-family residences. Each home includes a front courtyard and a private backyard, offering just the right blend of low maintenance and livability. The homes of Paseo are thoughtfully designed with modern single-story floor plans ranging from approximately 2,200 to 2,700 square feet. Depending on the model, you'll find 2 to 3 bedrooms and anywhere from 2.5 to 3.5 bathrooms. Every home includes a California room and a connected 2-bay garage. Some of the larger models even feature a casita or multi-gen suite, perfect for guests or extended family. The open concept layout brings together a spacious kitchen, dining area, and living room, all flowing naturally toward the California room and backyard. The primary bedroom connects to a beautifully finished primary bathroom, and the secondary bedrooms and bathrooms are equally inviting. Residents of Paseo enjoy access to the Oasis, a private resort-style recreation center designed exclusively for those living in the 55-plus villas neighborhoods. It features a clubhouse, swimming pool, hot tub, fitness center, dog parks, and plenty more, all geared for active adults. If you'd like to learn more about Paseo, the villas, or any part of the Tesoro Highlands community, you'll find helpful links in the description below. You can also visit us anytime at GregoryRealEstateGroup.com. Thanks so much for watching. We're grateful for the opportunity to share the neighborhoods we know and love. And if you're thinking about buying or selling a home, especially in one of our local 55-plus communities, don't hesitate to reach out. With us, there's never any sales pressure, ever. Until next time, goodbye for now.